Alright guys, so here it is. Finally we've done it. This is going to be a destruction series. Going to be a bunch of silly videos where we smash tubs, do all the things like that. This is the first video. Today we're going to smash shower head into an Ekopel tub and we'll see if it causes any damage. We'll try that as many ways as we can. So without further ado, let's jump into that. Alright guys, so we'll start with the shower wand. Shower wand's the most common thing that damages Refinish tubs, so it's usually tied up here, and then it falls down and hits the tub. So if it's up, it'll swing down, hit the tub. I'll put it a little higher, and so typically it can fall, bash on the edges, but as you can see with Ekopel, pretty rare, but we'll do the most extreme case test as we'll see how strong it is really. So you hit it easy, you get no damages. If you hit it a little harder, you're still not seeing any damage. This is the same tub that we shot with the fireworks, by the way, but I'm gonna try my best to get a chip on this so that I can show you how to do a Bondo repair in the next one. If not, I'm going to hit it with a hammer and that will damage it. So let's see how hard we can hit it. We're going to hit it down here. This is the thinnest part of Ekopel, is on the sidewalls, so let's see if we can damage it there. Still no damage. Let's hit it again a little bit harder. Still no damage. I'm just going to smash the shower head on the bottom as hard as I can. It'll be like a medieval weapon there. It's going to wind up and just nail it. Like, what kind of malicious damage needs to be done to damage Ekopel? Shower head's pretty durable too. I mean, this isn't breaking, but there's not even a chip in the tub. There's a couple of burns from the fireworks that we shot at it. Just discolored burns, but let's try that again. Oh, I broke it that time. Sorta. Broke the cover off the shower head, but it didn't put any damage in the tub. Alright, well, in this particular example, I'll hit it one more time, but I'm going to go ahead and say that this is not going to damage the tub. Not a cheap plastic one like this. I'll see if I can find a heavier metal one or something to hit it with, but I feel like I'm going to kill myself with this thing. So I'm not going to hit it again. Well, not this way. I have another idea. Alright, I got this new modified tool that I made. I'm just going to swing it down nice and hard. I'm going to close my eyes, hopefully not go blind here. Alright, ready? I'm going to go with the weakest part of the tub, the side, like diagonal, right on the corner. Sorry, dude. Well, that worked. It exploded, and yep, no damage. It's a yellow spot. Oh, no, that's like a crayon or something from one of my kids. Okay, well, nothing there. If it's going to be a shower head, it's not damaging Ekopel unless there's some kind of crazy miracle. Comment below if there's another thing you'd like to see us smash the tub with. But next one is going to be, next damage video is going to be with this Ekopel orb, which is literally, we added a little bit of red. This is kind of like a, just wanted to see if we could make a cool desktop toy or whatever, but this is a ball of Ekopel, and this is what happens when you drop it on the floor. So tune in next week and we'll be throwing this at it. We're also going to hit this with a baseball bat and see if we break our hands, we break the bat, or we break the Ekopel, whichever comes first. But anyways, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate all your feedback, all your comments. You guys help us out a ton. You help us grow, and you know, tell everybody you know about Ekopel, and we appreciate you guys. Have a great day. Thank you.